Hi friends, it's Saturday morning. My video just went up. I was so excited to do this one about the new Dollar General makeup brand. Really exciting for people who I think live in rural areas. Maybe it's a small town, maybe all you got is a Dollar General and you're able to go in there and feel like, yeah, you know, I can round up some decent stuff. Like I said in the video, there's a segment of the population that's very familiar with Dollar General and Casey's Pizza, and that's who I'm talking to here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm just so excited for some new videos I've got coming up this week. It's kind of a gloomy Saturday morning here. I need to head to Walmart and get some things. We're out of like so many basics all at once. Paper towels, the Equate face wash cloths, toilet paper, any kind of wiping mechanism, we need more. But it is Mother's Day weekend. Yes, I will claim the whole weekend. And yeah, that's what's up. My mom and dad gave me my gift. They didn't have to give me anything, of course, but they gave me a gift yesterday of 2 planters. One for flowers, one for tomatoes. They're just kind of as much for me as they are for the girls to kind of give them that experience of planting something and seeing it grow. I don't have a garden here. My mom always had like a huge garden at home, and we do have a little area that we're thinking might be nice to convert into a garden like maybe next time around, next spring. But for now, you know, we got these pots, and Belle got such a kick out of planting a little flower at school in her cup. We're like, we need to give this kid some more exposure to the farming life, so that's what we're doing. Having some apples?
Yes.
Are they delightful?
Yes, we would.
What's new with you? What's going on in your world?
Gosh, I'm just sitting here cuddling with Belle.
It's baby.
I'm the baby and she's the mama.
Oh, okay.
It's a game we're playing.
Okay. We are heading out to Walmart. Biddy, say hi.
Hi.
Just getting those essentials, you know. Biddy, what are you shopping for?
Feet.
Feet? You need some new feet? Kind of a dreary rainy day. We're playing in the basement, and Bub's kind of struggling here with this little Tykes basketball hoop.
Yes.
Bub realized at least one of the children is going to be some kind of basketball star.
That's right.
Is it ready, Daddy?
Almost. That had a little
Hiccup?
but we're back on track.
Really starting to look like a hoop here. You have to weight the bottom with something?
Yeah, I need to get sand, I guess, to pour in here. There's a little
Space.
at the sand store.
Probably Lowe's.
My classic Saturday Lowe's run.
So how many adjustments does this have on it? Like 3 or 4
Yeah,
settings?
yeah.
Is it easy to do, or is it a pain in the... Oh, I could dunk on that.
Oh, don't.
Show us how it's done. Come back here
Okay.
from downtown.
From 3. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, missed it.
Oh, nookie!
Do the proper shooting form, okay? Hold it like this. And you push with this hand. Katerina Kitty Cat and her mother Henrietta Pussycat. They live in a treehouse in the neighborhood.
My own horn, but I just
Meow,
read
meow.
that entire
Katerina
book
says, meow, meow.
to
Katerina
Biddy,
says,
and then
"I
as
like
soon as I
dancing
finish
squirrel.
it, she's
Will you
like,
be my friend, meow,
again.
meow?
Also,
It's O the owl.
we
He
upgraded our
loves
bird
to read
feeder,
and learn just like his
and
uncle.
we have another
X
one
the
over
owl.
here. Wait, what is this called? Crispy pie? Biddy made me some food. It's her toy pasta. Looks like some linguine, some bow ties, some other stuff. It's all mixed together. You know, in real life, I would probably just be fine with that, actually.
Hush, brother, baby, don't say a word. Mom's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Oh.
I think that's
Whenever I take Biddy shopping somewhere, she's usually like pretty loud in the cart if she decides to start singing. Like, she'll talk at normal volume and stuff, but then every now and again we'll be in the middle of an aisle and she'll be like, "It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood." I think she's actually brightened up a few people's days. Yes. Feel the music. You are brilliant. A brilliant mind, brilliant moves. Yes. We need a bow from our queen. Yes.
Bedtime!
It's Mother's Day. Wishing you a very happy Mother's Day. I just shot a video on this look. This was a look from a picture I had posted on Instagram not too long ago, and I was wearing it in the Milani lip color try-on vid. I'm probably going to call this something like a special occasion glam or something like that. It's really nice and long wearing. I've got quite a few tips in there about how to get good coverage, but really use minimal product and just get the effect you want on the skin, but less stuff used. Obviously busting out the hot rollers today, so I'm probably going to put on something different. Might wear a dress. We're going to like a special Mother's Day sort of brunch buffet type deal, so we'll take you along for that. Oh, it says Mom, Mom, Belle, Mother, Dad. Looks like you started to put Emily. Did you do that?
Oh gosh, she wrote a lot more on that since yesterday.
Look at that.
It's you and me.
Oh, sweetie, I love that. Thank you so much. Biddy, what did you do? Oh my. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, that was nice of you to help me. Do what again?
Oh, this
What?
is...
What is this?
Betty helped me put this together. This is...
What is it?
Since we don't do real flowers, it's glass flowers.
Glass flowers. Oh, I love this so much more than a bouquet. Oh my gosh.
Yes, this is
Where did you
slightly
find it?
broken. I need to glue that
Oh,
on. It was damaged. It was damaged in transit.
wow, it's super pretty.
And you can interchange those if you don't like the way the color.
I think that would be a great centerpiece on that table where the light comes in.
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you guys. Do what again?
She really liked putting them on.
Oh, did you like putting them on? Did you help? And there's beads. Wow, somebody probably handmade this.
Yes. It's...
Oh.
Me and Daddy.
Oh, it was you and Dad.
we handmade it.
Thank you guys so much. Can I have a hug? Oh, I love you. Hey, I like your dresses.
Thank you. Look.
Are you wearing Nookie's bracelet? Dresses are from Old Navy. They've got some cute little shoes to wear with them too that are Old Navy as well. Becky says, I just like my soft blanket and calm.
Betty, do you have some new shoes?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you both do, of course.
And we both have new dresses. We're wearing them right now.
6-person selfie, kinda. I'm blocking Nookie. More geese.
That would be the garnet for Pop. The, I think, topaz. I
For
think.
feet.
And then, I'm not sure what that's called.
Blue
Blue
zircon?
zircon.
Something for
For you.
December. That's good. I think I can deal with this. How's it look, Mom? What was your favorite part of the buffet? Having your desserts? Biddy, what was your favorite part of the buffet?
Biscuit.
The biscuit? It was so good. Cocapelli's restaurant. 2 massive thumbs up from this gang. Their staff was great. The whole setup of everything was very easy. Pretty place. Mother's Day Phase 2. We're dressed a little differently except for that one. Bub, where are we going?
We are going to Sonic.
Because
Ice cream treats.
I've been wanting Sonic for somewhere between 2 and 3 months.
Me too.
Oh, you too? Why can't we pull off Sonic, Bub? I guess it's just it's ice cream that I want
Well,
from
the thing
there.
you want is like a cone.
And we don't have one like right here immediately in town, so we've
Cone's
got to
gonna
go
start
just a
to-
little bit.
Yes.
A large diet cherry limeade.
We're both going for the ice cream sandwich vibes. Are y'all excited for your hot fudge sundae?
Yay!
Staying power on the makeup, I must say. I mean, disregard the lips. But what would you say, Bub? Makeup staying power today?
It looks great.
Got the Needs palette on the eyes, some It Cosmetics on the face. That glow still hanging on, that blush. Woo! You look awesome, Bub. You trimmed up your beard this morning, didn't you?
I did. It was much needed.
Bub went with the Oreo ice cream sandwich. What do you think of it, Bub?
Good. I'm enjoying
Really
it
good?
very much.
I got the chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich. Cookie got a little hard
And
though.
I cherry and my
The ice cream's harder than I thought it would be. I'm also hitting some very hard. I mean, I guess you don't want it mushing out, right?
Right.
I'm hitting some really hard chocolate chips.
Really bad.
But it's good. It tastes good. I gave Bud the remainder of mine to finish because I was getting full, but they do get a little easier to eat as you eat them.
No.
As you keep them in your hot little hands, and the ice cream softens just a little bit, but they hold together well, like at least the chocolate chip cookie, it doesn't get crumbly
Right.
or anything.
No, mine didn't either.
And they're super cheap. They're like $1.50 each, I think.
Wow.
So
Not bad.